What's up? Welcome back to the channel. We are back for another free pick video for you. It's morning time, it's October. I'm wrong. October 27th. We got some NFL football. We got our drink in hand. Let's get into the free plays today. So, first recap. Yesterday, we hit a few of the free plays. We ended up missing a few. It was just a weird day overall for college football. Yeah, some overs hit, some unders, some duos didn't match up correctly. So it was just kind of a weird day. We ended up losing a little bit yesterday. I think we went down like 3 or 4 units. So we're looking to bounce back today, have another amazing and great Sunday for college or for NFL football. And I got 2 free plays for you today. So make sure you stick around until the end. First off, if you guys want all of the free picks, they're going to be up here on the Winible. It's Winible.com/907fantasysports. It is completely free to do, so go over to there. The link is also down in the description below. Go sign up for the free pass. It's completely free, and you're going to get free picks sent to you every single day. So go and get signed up over there. If you guys are interested in the VIP pass, there's the VIP weekend pass right here. That's normally $100. If you use the code Rogers, that's going to get you 80% off. So that's going to be $20. Or you can go over there and get the NFL Sunday Pass. That's a reoccurring one every Sunday. You're going to get those plays sent over to you directly. And you also have some plays for tomorrow. So make sure to go and get signed up on one of those over there, over on Winible. But let's hop into the first free play. First one, we're going over on Chalkboard for this one. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, they are a great app. They send out every day. They send out discounted and boosted plays for us to hit. So we're taking one of the discounted plays today. We're matching that up with some NFL football. So if you guys are new to Chalkboard, go over there, use the code 907fantasy. They're going to hook you up with a $100 welcome bonus, a $100 deposit match. So make sure to go and take advantage of that. That's completely free money to go and play with. So this first one is they've discounted Buddy Hield. He's new to the Golden State Warriors this year, but he needs to make 1 3-pointer made. And then we cash that one. So we're taking Buddy Hield over 1 3-pointer made. And it is Drake May season. I love Drake May on the Patriots. They're not a good team in general, but I think he's going to be able to throw for a lot of yards. They're going to be playing from behind with the Jets, especially after the Jets just went out and got Davante Adams and Hassan Reddick back. But really the Jets, their season, it's a do or die game here. If they lose this one, their season's basically over, but they're not as good as they were projecting to be, not as good as they wanted to be. They made the hasty trade for Davante Adams, and it just, so far, it hasn't worked out for them. But this is the second game of them and Davante Adams, and I think they're going to be leading from this one, so Drake May is going to pass more. And I'm taking him over 209 passing yards. So I love that one here. It's going to turn 5 into 980 there. So that's the first one, and that one is over on Chalkboard. Next one is over on Prizepicks. So if you guys are new to Better, they're going to give you a $200 deposit match. So you put in $100, they're going to give you $200. You'll have $300 to go play with. Or you put in $10, they're going to give you $20. You'll have $30 to go play with. Whatever you guys decide, it's 200% deposit match there. So the first one here is they've discounted. First off, they've discounted every single QB in the NFL today. So you can match up one of them with what you want. But we're taking on this one. It's not one of those ones, but I did match up one of those ones. So if you guys want that play, it's over on VIP. They've discounted Jalen McMillan. Tampa Bay, like, sheesh. Without Chris Godwin, without Mike Evans, there are 3 starting wide receivers. None of them have over 100 yards on the season. So it's going to be a little rough going for him, but McMillan's going to have to step up. He's going to get a lot more targets this week without their 2 wide receivers, the 2 top wide receivers in the game. So we're taking his discounted line at 29.5 here for McMillan. Matching that up with, again, my boy Drake May. I'm high on Drake May today. I think he's going to be passing for 250. So taking Drake May over 206 passing yards. That's 10 into 30 over on Better. If you guys want any more plays, those are all going to be over there on the Winible. I have a lot over on Dabble today. If you guys are new to Dabble too, go get signed up on Dabble. You don't even have to deposit any money. You don't have to put any credit card information in. Just go over there, sign up with code 907fantasy, or use the link down in the description below. They're going to give you $25 of completely free money to go play with, and you can go hammer some good NFL plays today. So if you guys want all those plays today, those are all going to be over on the Winible, winnable.com/907fantasy sports. Good luck with all your plays today. Let's go have an amazing Sunday, amazing NFL football day. But it's going to be a great day. So good luck with all your plays. Let me know down in the comments below if you're going to be telling me, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.